So we can say that the role of atmosphere here is very important because it includes lots of gases that are very useful for us. So what are basically here? Air is a bad conductor of heat. You know that because heat is going to prevail from the sun and coming to the earth. Okay. Now it is a lot amount of heat that is coming, and that lot of amount of heat is directly reaching to the earth's surface. That again will not going to help us to survive here, because in summertime you see that when the temperature is almost about 44 degrees Celsius, then you are not going to go out from the home, even you are not stepping out of the home. Yeah, so if the atmosphere would not be here, it would be more than plus 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, then how would you survive? No life would be possible. Because here we are having the atmosphere. Now this heat that is coming would get reflect out of this atmosphere. And that reflected heat is very, very harmful. If they got reach up to the earth's surface, we won't be able to even go out, or even the life would not be happen here. Even trees would not be possible to survive here, because that is containing ultraviolet radiations, and ultraviolet radiations are very harmful for health. These may cause cancers. Okay, now, so this, because of our atmosphere get reflect out, and that is very useful for us. Only some limited amount, only if let's suppose 100% of the sun's light is coming towards the earth. Now, at the earth's surface, only 1% of it is reaching out. See, the ratio 100 times greater than the thing that is coming to our surface. So this is a very big amount here all, and that is not possible, that we could not think a life without atmosphere, because it is a bad conductor of heat. That is why it is not conducting heat towards the surface. So we are very fortunate accordingly. Now the second point is prevents the sudden increase in the temperature during daytime. As I have told you, a lot amount of heat got reflect it from here, and the ultraviolet radiations are going out. Only limited amount of infrared radiations. That is again कि थोड़ी बहुत तो heat आनी भी चाहिए, because it is needed to be survived for the plants, because they are preparing their food in presence of sunlight. That is infrared. So sunlight is including a lot of radiations in it. That also includes these two major things, that is ultraviolet. This is very harmful. This get reflect out with the help of this atmosphere, and that is to the ozone. Basically the ozone, I am going to tell you about ozone in later on slides, but what we are receiving inside it is the infrared part. Okay, so here the role of this atmosphere is useful. Now see that during night time what we are having. See, at this phase of the earth we are having the daytime right now. Okay, and this is here we are having night time. Now at the night part, at the night time, what we are going to observe, if the atmosphere is not here, like ये जो atmosphere layer है ये होती ही नहीं, तब क्या होता? तब आपकी जितनी भी heat थी वो यहाँ पे रह ही नहीं पाती. All the heat that we have received will get vacant into this space easily, because you know that space is too cold. Okay, so now again we cannot survive in too cold region also. We need heat, we need warmth, but we do not need too much cold. Okay, जैसे तैसे आप अगर दोपहर में बच भी जाते, because like it is getting a lot of heat radiations here, तो हम ये भी सोच लेते चलो मान लो हम लोग अर्थ क्रस्ट के अंदर छुप जाते हैं. But what will you do when it comes to night? Because तब बिल्कुल freezing हो जाता. It will going to be minus 100 degrees centigrade. That is very, very less temperature. Okay, so at night also due to the atmosphere, ये जो अर्थ है इसके आसपास जो ये atmosphere layer है, जो heat हमने यहाँ पे दिन में receive करी थी, let's suppose I'm making this as heat, this is during night time not going to release because of this atmosphere. If it is not there, it is going to be released easily, and now again we are going to be freezingly cold, but due to the atmosphere, this heat is not going to be released out. Now this kept as the warm here, and that is why we are able to survive during night. Again, I am telling you, all the things get balanced itself. That is why planet Earth is the perfect place to live in. So this is what the role of atmosphere to make us survive here, and this is also a part of air. That is why I have introduced the atmosphere here in the syllabus.